cane sauce on it.
All right, this is round 2 of the chicken sandwich. We're at Raising Cane's. We cut it in half this time. All right, let's see how it is. What do you think, Emma?
Pretty good.
It's not a bad sandwich, but we still got 2 more places to go. Honestly, Popeyes, I'm gonna say, it's taking the lead right now. I think what's killing it for me, it's a good sandwich, but it's not spicy. They don't have a spicy option. So, but next up is Chick-fil-A, and then last but not least, McDonald's. We're doing McDonald's last because we want to get an apple pie at the end. The one thing McDonald's hasn't ever messed up on was the apple pie. So stay tuned. This is part 2 of 4 of Sergio's Fun Fact of the Day, starring Emma Ann Velasquez in the Chicken Sandwich Challenge.